Hey guys, welcome to Raksha's kitchen. Let's warm up with this cozy tomato basil soup. Let us see the ingredients. We have some diced tomatoes, onion chopped, olive oil, chopped basil leaves, sugar, garlic minced, salt and pepper, oregano, heavy cream and vegetable stock. Heat olive oil in a large pot. Add chopped onion and saute till they turn soft and pinkish. Add garlic and stir until fragrant. Add diced tomatoes and cook till soft and mushy. Add 2 cups vegetable stock, chopped basil, sugar, oregano, salt and pepper. Stir well. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until it starts boiling. Use an immersion blender for easy puring. If using a regular blender, let the soup cool a bit before blending. Then return the blended soup to the pot. Add half cup heavy cream and stir to combine. Taste and adjust salt and pepper if needed. Simmer for 5 more minutes. Warm and delicious tomato basil soup is ready. Serve warm and enjoy your homemade tomato basil soup. Garnish with fresh basil and a swirl of cream. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen.